After lamination, all internal reference markings that show where we want to image the outer layers and where we shall be drilling in relation to the position of the inner layer features are now hidden in the multilayer panel. Failure to align upon those internal reference points correctly could result in our drill location not making precise contact with the copper feature on the inner layers, risking potential weak connections. In this process, we use an X-ray to detect the internal references and provide new tooling holes that align with inner layers. In simple terms, the X-ray is used to find the internal reference marking on different cores. The equipment then figures out the best alignment for drilling, ensuring we align with the internal pattern. Once this is determined, new tooling holes are drilled in the panel to help align the multilayer in the next steps of the process. We measure and record data to see how much the inner layer cores have changed in size during bonding. This information is then used to adjust for these changes in later processes, like drilling, to make sure the pattern accuracy requirements for all layers are met. In this stage, we also cut away the excess material all around the edge of the panel, as this is considered waste and to be recycled. In NCAB's own PCB specification, we have limited the allowed differences in size between the Gerber data and the actual PCB pattern. This ensures that the customer's printing stencil fits the PCB pattern correctly.